Morning students, today we are going to see exercise 2.2 second sum. Find 1 by 2 of 34. So this of represents the multiplication operation. Okay, let us come to the solution. 1 by 2 of 34 which is equal to 1 by 2. This of represent multiplication. So you have to put into symbol and then the number is 34. This is equal to, this is the whole number and this is the fraction. What is the type? It's come the first type. So how do you write? That is the numerator of the fraction into whole number, which is equal to, what is the numerator of the fraction? 1 into the whole number is 34 divided by 2. So in truth table it is not possible to cancel 1. So we have to take this 34 in 2 table 2 how many times? 1 times. In 2 table 34 how many times? First we take 3. 1 2s are 2. 3 minus 2 remainder is 1. Now the number is 14. 14 in 2 table how many times? 7 times. So the number is 17. Which table we are using to cancel here? 2 table. So that is the numerator is 1 into 17 divided by 1. That is the product of the two number you get cancelled is 1 into 17. 17 divided by 1. 17 divided by 1 you get cancelled is 17. How do you complete the answer? Again you have to write the question. 1 divided by 2 of 34 which is equal to 17. Again, if you don't know the direct division, use this normal division. 34 divided by 2 in the normal division method. How do you divide? First you take 3. In 3, how many times? In 2 table 1 times. So 1 2s are 2. So 3 minus 2, you subtract and get the answer is 1. 1 is the small number of 2. So we have to write here 4. And then now the number is 14. In 2 table how many times? 7 2s are 14. So 14 minus 14 you get the answer is 0. So your answer quotient answer is 17. That is the answer we are written. Next is sum 9 divided by 11 of 22 divided by 3. So this is also, this of represents multiplication operation. So let us come to the solution. 9 divided by 11 OF of 22 divided by 3 which is equal to 9 divided by 11. That of represent multiplication symbol 22 divided by 3. Now see this type, this is the third type, that is the product of two fractions. How do you use this formula? Product of the numerator divided by, whole divided by product of the denominator, that is 9 into 22, that is the product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator is 11 into 3. Now see this number 9 and 3, it is possible to cancel this 3 table, and 11 and 22 is possible to cancel 11th table. So first you choose 3 table. 3 how many times in 3 table? 1 times. 1 3s are 3. And then 9 how many times in 3 table? 3 3s are 9. Which is equal to, which table we are using here? 3 table. And then write that answer 3 into 22 divided by 11 into, here we cancel and get the answer is 1. Now next possible to cancel the number is 11 and 22. Which table we are going to use? 11th table. 11th table how many times 11 it's come? Only 1 times. That is 1 11s are 11. 2 11s are 22. Which table we are using here? 11th table. Which is equal to, what is your numerator? 3 into here 2 divided by here 1 into 1 which is equal to 3 into 2, that is 3 2s are 6 divided by 1 1s are 1. Any number you divided in get that 1 in get the answer is 6 itself. your answer. That is 9 divided by 11 of 22 divided by 3, which is equal to 6. And then marks this answer. Students, types of multiplications of fraction. The first type, that is a sum changes in your formula. Okay, that is a whole number into fraction, which is equal to whole number into numerator. Change the correction here. It is previous. It is written as number. You change here numerator. Okay, numerator of the fraction divided by denominator of the fraction. Change the correction here. The third sum, multiply the following. 4, 3 by 4 into 7. See the first, this fraction is a mixed fraction. First we converted into improper fraction. Let us come to the solution. That is 4, 3 by 4. Here the mixed fraction, this whole number is 4. Numerator is 3, denominator is 4. Now we have to apply this formula. The whole number is 4 into, that is whole number into denominator. Denominator is 4 plus numerator is 3 divided by denominator is 4, which is equal to 4 into 4, 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 divided by 4, which is equal to 16 plus 3, 19 divided by 4. Now we converted into improper fraction. Your answer is mixed fraction is we converted into improper and get the answer is 19 divided by 4 into your whole number is 7. So this is the first type, that is whole number into fraction, which is equal to, what is the formula? That is numerator of the fraction into whole number divided by denominator of the fraction is 4. So it is possible to cancel the 4 table is possible for 7? No. Next we check the next number. 4 it is multiplication of 9. It is possible to cancel this one? No. So it is not possible. Just we have to directly multiply and then divided by 4. So now we have to multiply 19 into 7, which is equal to 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. Remainder is 6. 1 sevens are 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So you get the numerator value is 133 divided by 4. This that is improper fraction we converted into mixed fraction. 133 we divided into 4 table. To divide 133 divided by 4 table. 4 table, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So 13 minus 12 you get the answer is 1. And then 1 is the smallest number, 4 as compared to 4. So we write here 3. Now the number is 13. Again we have to say that 4 table. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Then we have to subtract 13 minus 12. We get the answer as 1. So the quotient as considered as a whole number. Remainder that is considered as a numerator. Denominator is, that is your divisor is a denominator, which is equal to 33. Your numerator is 1 and denominator is 4. How do you complete this answer? Again you have to write the question. 4, 3 divided by 4 into 7, which is equal to 33, 1 divided by 4. This is the answer. See the D sum. 1 divided by 3 into 2 divided by 5. That is product of 2 fraction. This mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction first, and then after you have to multiply with this another fraction. Let us come to the solution. First you write that mixed fraction. You have to apply this formula. That is whole number is 2, numerator is 2, denominator is 5. What is the formula? Whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator, which is equal to whole number into denominator 5 plus numerator is 2 divided by denominator 5, which is equal to 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10 plus 2 divided by 5, which is equal to 10 plus 2, 12 divided by 5. We get that improper fraction. So let us come to the solution. 1 divided by 3 into this mixed fraction, we get that improper answer is 12 divided by 5. This is the third type, product of two fractions, which is equal to product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator, that is 1 into 12 divided by 3 into 5. So it is possible to cancel in 3 table for 12. So it is also multiple of 3. So we cancel 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. Which table? 3 table. Which is equal to the product of the numerator is 1 into 4 divided by product of the denominator is 1 into 5, which is equal to 1 4s are 4 divided by 1 5s are 5. This is the answer. How do you complete this answer? 1 divided by 3 into 2 divided by 5, which is equal to 4 divided by 5. This is the answer. We see that F sum 9 3 divided by 8 into 3 4 divided by 5. See, the product of two fraction is a mixed fraction. We converted into improper fraction. Let us come to the solution. 9 3 divided by 8, which is equal to whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. That is 9 into 8 plus 3 divided by 8, which is equal to 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72 plus 3 divided by 8, which is equal to 72 plus 3, 75 divided by 8. Next mixed fraction is 3 4 by 5. We converted into improper fraction. 3 4 by 5, which is equal to whole number into denominator 5 plus numerator 4 divided by denominator 5, which is equal to 3 5s are 15 plus 4 divided by 5, which is equal to 15 plus 4 19 divided by 5. This mixed fraction, we get the improper answer for the first one, 75 divided by 8. Second mixed fraction, we get the improper fraction is into 19 divided by 5. This is the third type, product of two fractions. That is product of numerator divided by product of denominator. 75 into 19 divided by product of the denominator is 8 into 5. So in 8 table it is possible to cancel 75? No. Check that 19 it is possible to divisible by 8? No. Next we check if 5 it is divisible by 75? Yes. So in 5 table 5 1 times. In 5 table 75, how do you cancel? 1 5s are 5. 7 minus 5, you get the answer as 2, that is remainder is 2. Now the number is 25. 25 in 5 table how many times? 5 5s are 25, which is equal to the product of the numerator is 15 into 19 divided by denominator is 8 into 1, which is equal to, again you have to check it is possible to cancel numerator and denominator? No. So you have to directly multiply 15 into 19. 15 into 19 into 15, which is equal to 9. 9 5s are 45. Remainder is 4. 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 4 9. 1 9s are 9. 1 1s are 1. So you have to add this number. 5, 9 plus 9, 18, remainder 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So your numerator value is 285 divided by 1 8s are 8. Now see, this fraction is a improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed fraction. So this improper fraction we converted into mixed fraction using normal division. 285 divided by 8. A table we have to divide this 285. So 2 is the small number of 8. We have to take 2 number, that is 28. So say the table 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. 28 minus 24, you get the answer is 4 remainder. 4 is the small number of 8, so we have to write here 5. In A table, we have to simplify this one, and the 8 5s are 40. 45 minus 40, you get that remainder is 5. That is your quotient is your numerator, that is whole number. Your remainder is the numerator, divisor is the denominator, which is equal to whole number is 35 and numerator is 5, denominator is 8. This is the answer. How do you complete this answer? 9, 3 divided by 8 into 3, 4 divided by 5, which is equal to 35, 5 divided by 8. The fourth sum, the length and breadth of the rectangular field are 4 1 by 5 meter and 1 3 by 7 meter. That is, the first one represents length, the second one measurement represents breadth respectively. Find the area of the rectangle. We have to find the area of the rectangle. Solution. So what is given? The length of your rectangle. What is length of the rectangle is given? The length of the rectangle is 4 1 by 5 meter. The breadth of your rectangle is what is given? 1 3 by 7 meter. 3 by 7 meter. Next, area of the rectangle. Already you have to study in the previous 6th standard, isn't it? What is the formula? Length into breadth square unit. What is length is given? 4 1 by 5 meter into what is breadth? 1 3 by 7 square unit. What is unit given here? Here meter, so you have to write square meter square. Otherwise you have to write square meter is also correct. And then see, this fraction is a mixed fraction. This mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction. So first fraction is mixed fraction is 4 1 by 5, which is equal to, how do you convert it into improper fraction? Using the formula. So whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator, which is equal to 4 5s are 20 plus 1 divided by 5, which is equal to 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 5. This is your length. And then breadth is 1 3 by 7. This mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction using the formula. 1 into 7 plus, that is whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator 7, which is equal to 1 7s are 7 plus 3 divided by 7, which is equal to 7 plus 3 10 divided by 7. This is the breadth. So we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction for the both fraction, this and this. So what is the length? We converted into mixed fraction into improper fraction. We get the answer is 21 divided by 5 into, that is length into breadth. What is breadth? That is 10 divided by 7 meter square. And then we have to cancel this product of two fraction and then simplify and get the answer. See, this denominator here 5, here 7. First we take 5. It is possible to cancel 21 or 10 for the numerator. 21 is not possible. 10 only is possible for, because it is a multiple of 5. So in 5 table 5 1 times. In 5 table 10 how many times? 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So we are using which table here? 5 table. So 21 into, here we get that answer is 2 divided by 1 into 7. And then next we take this 7. If 7 is possible 2 or 21? 21. So in 7 table 7 1 times. In 7 table 21 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21. How many times? 3 times in 7 table. So which is equal to 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 1. So you have to write here units. Okay, don't forget to write here unit. So 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. 1 1s are 1 meter square. So 6 divided by 1, you get the answer as 6 meter square. That is the area of the rectangle. Now to recall the sum, what is given? Length and breadth of the rectangular field is given. The measurement for the length is 4 1 by 5 meter and breadth 1 3 by 7 meter. We have to find area of the rectangle. First you write what is given in the rectangle. For write that length and what about given that breadth? 1 3 by 7 meter. And then what is the question? That is area of the rectangle. Write the area of the rectangle formula and then apply the length and breadth value, and then you have to compass it right with this unit. See this, both are product of this multiplication, this mixed fraction. So this mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction and then simplify and get the answer. See this mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction. First 4 1 by 5 is the measurement for the length. 1 3 by 7, with this mixed fraction we get the improper answer as 10 by 7. This is the breadth. Now we have to apply this formula, length and breadth. We have to apply this value 21 divided by 5 into 10 divided by 7 meter square. First we have to choose the denominator, the smallest number 5. In 5 table 1 times. So possible for the numerator, which one is possible? 10. So we cancel in 5 table and get the answer is 2. And then next step, see the denominator, we get the 7 and it's possible to cancel 21 in 7 table 3 times. And then whatever could we get the product for the numerator, write 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 1 and get the answer is 6 divided by 1. We get divided and get the answer 6 meter square. This is your area of the rectangular field. You have to complete in this way.